Now let us look at some report samples. There are very some, not all of them. So we will not focus on all of the reports. Some of the reports are there. So this report is a segmentation where we are comparing the room revenue, occupancy, room nights, and also the ADR for different segmentations, comparing the budget and last year, looking at the variances. So this report basically is helping us to understand where we lack compared to our targets, where we lack compared to our previous year, where which segmentation, which segment of market is doing better than previous year. Now this report just only indicates, right, that what segment is doing better. It doesn't tell you why. So we need to analyze in more details, in more details, why we are doing a better job, why we are not doing a better job in that particular segment. You may want to know. So if let's say you have a more group segments, obviously the FITs will be lower. So you cannot just complain that okay, the FITs are low, because maybe the groups are higher. If groups are higher, your ADR is supposed to be low, but your overall revenue may improve because of the volume number. So you have different analytics which you can understand from this report. uh, you can analyze this report, write about it, what do you understand, and submit in the question and answer session or in the comments. Then we will see if you are getting on the right track. Then the next report is the booking pace. So booking pace will actually help you to understand for each particular segment what how many percent of bookings are coming, let's say with 0 to 7 days, right, within 8 to 14 days, within 50 to 30 days, and beyond 30 days. So here you can see on the screen we have different reports, public rates negotiated for each revenue, each public segment. Now you can actually track this for each room category as well. You can go even more further detail. You can even look at distribution channels, for that matter. You can look at nationalities, for that matter. You can filter out these reports by nationality, so that you can understand what kind of nationality is booking us earlier, ahead of time, or what kind of nationality is coming very last minute, so that you can track them by some appropriate promotions. I'm not teaching the marketing here, so I will not give you what kind of marketing or what kind of sales you should do. I'm teaching only the revenue management and the data analysis, so you should be able to get in touch with the sales and marketing to know what kind of promotions you want. But this is how you can analyze the data. The other report we have here is represented by the week. The week seasonality. So day of the week seasonality. So you can see here we have room nights where we are seeing for each particular segment how we perform on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, so that we can understand on what day what kind of segment is generating the business for us, so that we can create again room packages, special room rates. We can run special promotions for the particular days where we are not actually getting a very high occupancy. You may reduce the rate, or you may want to do some special efforts for those particular dates, right? Then you have revenue by each distribution channel. Here you want to know what kind of channels is producing the revenue for what kind of segment. So not all the channels are producing for each segment. You may have a different segmentation, you may have different room nights, different room type, but you want to know what channel is producing for what type of room night, how the what by what nationality. You can filter by nationality as well, so that you can see what nationalities are working for you, what are not working for you. Then you can compare it to the arrivals in the city, so that you know, are you getting your fair share or not, right? And you have guest nationality. Again, you can compare it by the nationality of the guest, the not only the booking origination, also the actual nationalities of the customer. Then it will help you to understand the amenities you want to serve, the services you want to serve, the cultural differences your guest may have, and how you can please them to get the reviews, to get the social sentiment, or to make them a loyal customer, make them directly booking. You can do this nationality by distribution channel, by room category, by the market revenue segment, so that you can understand it a bit more details. Okay, these are the F&B revenue management. These are basic revenue management, room revenue management detail. There are many more variations of the similar reports, but these are the basic reports which you must have to make the revenue management work for you. You can you can create tons of reports. Just probably they will be just variations of these same reports. Now the F&B revenue management reports, you want to know the covers by breakfast, lunch, dinner, so that you know when customers are coming to your restaurant. You may want to know the average check for each meal period, so that you can again see, and also by the nationality, so you can compare that nationality to the hotel nationality, so that you can see what nationalities are spending in the hotel, what nationalities are not spending in the hotel. So here you can see we have covers by breakfast, lunch, dinner. We have in-house covers, we have outside covers, we have total covers. We can compare this with the previous year, previous month, previous budget, or the current budget. We can look at the number of guests, we can look at the average check, we can look at the total revenue. So we need to compare this with our budget and forecast, so that we can understand where do we perform and how do we perform. We can calculate the capture ratios, we can calculate the function reports by each function room, so we can see what is the occupancy, what is the revenue for each month compared to the budget last year, and other factors. Then you may have competitors. These reports until now were only inside the hotel. Now you may want to compare the performance compared to the competitors. So here you can see banquets at a hotel A, B, C, D. What is the average number of size? What is the number of function size? What is the average check? What is the revenue? So that we can compare how do we fare against our competitors, so that we can maximize our revenue, or we can see where we should be focusing more. Same way you can do it for the restaurants as well, comparing the similar style of restaurants, and then we see, are we getting enough seat occupancy ratio compared to our competitors or not. Then it will help you to understand more where you can maximize your revenue. So the main questions, so we have seen the reports, we have seen the data, how you can collect the data. You can normally collect the data from the property management system and also the POS. You may use Excel to analyze the data, or you can use ready-made tools which are available in the market. But what is the point that you want to understand from the analysis? So you may want to understand what nationalities stay in the hotel, how they spend into the hotel. You may also want to understand what are the price quality metrics. So how much they pay compared to the others. What you may want to know is what days of the week we are busy in the hotel, what days of the week we are not very busy in the hotel, what is your RevPAR index compared to your competitors, what is the booking pace for your each segment, for each guest, for room type, what segment we are spending the most and what segments are not spending the most. So there are many points that you can look at, and what promotions are working and what promotions are actually not working in the hotel. Or sales managers or marketing or the communications can create tons of promotions and create tons of rate plans, but are they actually working or not? If they are working, which countries they are working, and what they are generating for us, what is the cost of running the promotions. So that way you can maximize the profitability of the hotel. Okay, the